Hello everyone. After visiting Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya, we went to Nehru Planetarium. It is just next to the Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya. There are 2D and 3D shows in which they show whole universe. We have already booked our ticket on online. Now we are entering for our entrance. We booked 3D shows for ourselves. It was around 300 rupees. If you want a 2D show, so you can buy it in 200 rupees. It was looking so classic from inside. Even children enjoy a lot over here. Then we were searching for a booked seats, and here is a projector in the mid of the area which reflects whole universe on the upper side of theater. Yes, you can see in the picture. However, I have visited before 5 years back over here, but I like it most. Now you can watch this amazing show in a small clip because I couldn't make entire video. It was around 45 minutes. People must visit at least once in their life with their family members. But I will explain you little bit in entire video what they show. Nehru Planetarium is a popular science and space learning center which is located in New Delhi, India. Our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru ji had deep interest in astronomy and science. Even it offers exciting shows about stars, planet and universe attracting to the students. The main attraction is the Sky Theatre, where visitors can watch an amazing presentation about space. Even it also organizes workshop, exhibition and quizzes related to space. Nehru Planetarium is not just for a children but for a people of all age groups who are curious to know about the space science. In that show, they generally share all the information about all planets and entire universe. What are the main things in the universe that the people must know about that. Even many schools organize trip here to inspire the students and learn more about the mystery of universe. It is the perfect place for anyone who dreams for exploring the stars. Even I can't express my feeling. Entire show was so amazing. What I say, you can watch in the video. Even it looks so beautiful in the video. So how it will be looking if you go for live session. It's really amazing. The sky was looking so captivating, colorful and lightning too. Even I can't express. Here they were showing so many satellites that have been launched till now. Honestly, if I say, this is a place of wonder and heaven for joy. Even you can experience like you are in the heaven. I have made 2 more videos about Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya part 1 and part 2. So you can explore both videos if you want visit over here. After the showcase, they had shown a beautiful show. It was 3D show. It's just like a enjoyable moment because it's had a fun only. So it was also amazing. When I visited Singapore, here I watched a show. It was a 3D show. It was so amazing. So the feeling was like same. I remembered that day a lot. Wow, it's truly amazing. Now we are out of left corner side in Nehru Planetarium. It is connected to Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya as well. We got to know after coming out from Nehru Planetarium. If you want to visit that place, then you can explore my both videos, part 1 and part 2. I'm giving in the link.